Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about business, digital skills and how to make money online. In this tutorial, I will teach you 2 secret websites where you can make money as a writer. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube. And please turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified on any time I upload a new video. So now the first website on my list is called .writer. .writer gives you the opportunity to upload your articles and put a price to it. This website do not accept AI written content. Even if you decide to use AI, make sure to rewrite and also check it to be sure before uploading. You can also watch my videos on how to write articles. Their payment method is through PayPal. All you have to do is to head on to .writer.com, click on the sign up button, and once you are accepted into the platform, you can start uploading your articles and you put a price to it and start making money. I'll put the link in the description box below for the link to this site. The second website is called Constant Content. This website matches writers with businesses or with people who need the services of a writer. Just like .writer, they don't accept AI written content. If you decide to use AI to write your content, you can use Qbot to edit and rewrite this content to make it look 100% original. Their payment method is also through PayPal. You need to create a PayPal account to be able to access this website because that's where your money will be going to. All you have to do is to go on to constantcontent.com and you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, once you're accepted into this platform, you can start making money. So these are the 2 secret websites that you can use to make money as a writer. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.